BMW has revealed a new version of its sports coupe, the M2 CS. This model is the most powerful and sporty, with lighter weight, faster acceleration, and a more aggressive design compared to the standard M2. The M2 CS is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine. Power is increased to 530 horsepower, which is 50 horsepower more than the standard M2 2025. Torque is 650 Nm, which is 50 Nm more than the base model with an automatic transmission. Unfortunately for manual fans, the M2 CS is offered exclusively with an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission that sends power only to the rear wheels. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h takes 3.8 seconds, which is 0.2 seconds faster than the standard M2 with an automatic. The top speed is electronically limited to 302 km/h, 17 km/h higher than the M2 with the M Drivers package. One of the features of the new model is the extensive use of carbon fiber, or carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which plays a key role in reducing weight, increasing body rigidity and improving aerodynamics. Carbon fiber is used for the roof, hood, front splitter, rear diffuser, and other elements. The trunk lid, also made of carbon fiber with an integrated ducktail design, not only reduces weight but also increases downforce, improving stability at high speeds. This approach reduces the weight of the car by 30 kilograms compared to the standard M2, bringing the total weight to approximately 1,700 kilograms. The wheels are fitted with exclusive alloy wheels in a matte golden bronze color, measuring 19 inches at the front and 20 inches at the rear. The M Drive Professional package includes advanced driving tools, such as M Drift Analyzer, M Lap Timer, and a 10-stage M Traction Control system, designed to enhance performance and help drivers push their limits on the track. The M Mode button allows the driver to switch between driving modes, road, sport, and track, adjusting engine and suspension settings accordingly. The interior features M carbon bucket seats, upholstered in black merino leather, with M accents and an illuminated CS logo. The steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara, with a red center stitching and carbon shift paddles. The BMW Curve display integrates a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch center display, paired with the advanced BMW iDrive system, to provide access to navigation, multimedia, vehicle settings, and M modes. The door panels feature M2 CS lettering, which can be illuminated to emphasize the model's exclusivity. The base price in the United States is $99,775, including shipping. With additional options such as carbon ceramic brakes and the exclusive velvet blue color, the cost can reach $111,875. In Europe, particularly in Germany, The price can exceed €110,000.